Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately. Equip every XP and attribute booster you have and pick a repeatable parallel quest that finishes fast. Once done, set the mission modifiers and allies to maximize enemy density and XP share. Make sure your build kills quickly. Speed matters more than survivability here. Use a PQ that spawns clustered enemies so you can chain combos and super attacks. That produces the consistent inflow of experience and attribute points you need to scale efficiently. Keep the loop tight. Once the first successful run nets points, immediately restart with the same loadout and route to compound gains. Rotate Z-souls and food items between runs to avoid cooldown gaps and to maintain a steady XP multiplier. Make sure to trigger combo finishers to grant bonus experience and prioritize targets that give the largest payouts. If possible, use co-op to farm faster. Shared enemy waves often raise total XP per run and shorten grind time. Finish by confirming earned attribute points and allocating them where needed. Keep spare resets handy to rebalance. If your yield drops, change to another high-yield PQ or swap Z-souls. Sometimes enemy composition limits XP growth, so switching solves that. If multiplayer rewards desynchronize or you get disconnects, relaunch the session or host locally to restore consistent drops. Remember, small adjustments to route, boosting items, or allies often restore your expected farming rate quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.